So over here you can see that I have two pictures right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and compare them. In that case, what you can actually do is go ahead onto the comparison mode right here by clicking on this icon right here. So once you're on the compare mode right here, you can see that I can actually go ahead and zoom into the picture. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and zoom in right here. And once I go ahead and do that, it actually zooms in both of the pictures that I have at the same time, as you can see right here. I can zoom in and compare them side by side right here. I can zoom out and then compare them out right here. So apart from that, you can also see that I can swap the images right here from left to right, just like this, or go ahead and then select out one as well, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. And now while you're actually going around and comparing, what you can also do is make sure that they are not linked to each other. So right now they are actually linked to each other, so it is linked focus. So if I were to unlock it, then you can see that now individually I can move the select and the candidate right here, just like this, individually right here, and then zoom in as well. But I can also go ahead and link them together, and now what happens is that now everything syncs out again, and I can see both of the images just like this. And I can change around the zoom level, as you can see right here, just like this. I can unlink it and then keep it separate, as you can see right here, just like this, or I can go ahead and link it out, and then this is what you have. So what you can also do is you can unlink it, and let's say, for example, this is what I have. Let me just align it out. I can go ahead and link it, and you can see the before and after right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and then zoom in, then you can see that this is what you have right here. So that is how you can actually go ahead and then utilize linking in comparison mode and unlink it to actually go ahead and then navigate through them separately inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.